Ever wondered which Audis are the rarest of all time? Well, get ready for a countdown of the top 10 rarest Audis ever built. Let's go. When you think of rare Audis, the compact A1 probably doesn't come to mind first. But here's the twist. Audi released only 333 units of this turbocharged powerhouse in 2012, making it one of the most unique Audis ever built. With a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 252 horsepower and Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive, the A1 Quattro took a standard city car and turned it into a rally-inspired beast. What makes the A1 Quattro special isn't just its rarity, but its impressive features. With its dynamic suspension, bold design, and performance, it brings a taste of Audi's racing power to everyday streets. Audi gave it distinct styling, the wider wheel arches and custom red accented wheels that stand out from anything else in the A1 lineup. Interestingly, each unit came in glacier white with notable rear wings and bumpers, acknowledging Audi's Group B rally era. A small car, yes, but an absolute giant in exclusivity. At number 9, we have the Audi R8 GT V10, a car that took Audi's iconic R8 platform to new levels of exclusivity and performance. Limited to just 333 units worldwide, the R8 GT V10 was Audi's high-performance twist on an already much-loved sports car. With a 5.2-liter V10 engine roaring under the hood, it could hit 552 horsepower, allowing drivers to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 3.6 seconds. Audi stripped down the R8 GT by nearly 220 pounds, using lightweight materials like carbon fiber, making this version even quicker and more agile. While the R8 GT V10 is quite rare, its unique performance enhancements and impressive styling are what set it apart the most. The fixed rear wing, exclusive interior touches, and upgraded aerodynamics were all designed to turn the R8 GT into a track-ready beast with road-legal status. Here's a take-home fact. Each R8 GT V10 came with an engraved serial number on the gear lever, letting every owner know they were part of an exclusive club of just 333 drivers worldwide. Impressive. Coming in at number 8 is a true legend in Audi's lineup. The Audi S2 sedan, specifically the 4-door version, produced in extremely limited numbers with only 306 units made. This rare gem was Audi's attempt to bring a performance sedan into the mix during the early 90s. While the S2 Coupe often takes the spotlight, the S2 sedan quietly built a cult following due to its rare production and powerful engine. It was equipped with a 2.2-liter, 5-cylinder turbocharged engine that generated 217 horsepower, a substantial figure for a compact sedan of its time. Unlike its more popular S2 Coupe sibling, the S2 sedan offered a blend of subtlety and power that's still highly regarded even today. The Quattro all-wheel drive system performed beautifully on the road, handling all conditions perfectly well. This combination of performance and exclusivity helped the S2 sedan become a collector's dream. Did you know the S2 sedan's unique blend of power and design set the stage for future Audi performance sedans, inspiring the RS models that would later become synonymous with Audi's racing legendary status? At number 7, we have an icon that helped put Audi on the map in the world of rally racing, the Audi Sport Quattro. Only 214 of these were ever built, making it not only rare but also legendary among car enthusiasts. Originally created as a special for Group B rally racing in the 1980s, this car was Audi's answer to the high-speed, high-stakes competition of the time. It packed a 2.1-liter turbocharged inline-5 engine that generated an impressive 302 horsepower, a remarkable feat for its time. What sets the Audi Sport Quattro apart isn't just its rarity, but its role in pioneering all-wheel drive performance. With the signature Quattro system, this car set the standard for rally cars, combining power with unbeatable handling on virtually any surface. It's fair to say, this car didn't just make an impact, it left a legacy in racing history. The Audi Sport Quattro was affectionately nicknamed the Shorty due to its shortened wheelbase, which helped improve agility and its ability to maneuver tight rally circuits. This compact build became an iconic look that Audi enthusiasts recognize instantly. Sliding in at number 6, we have Audi's groundbreaking entry into the electric supercar world, the Audi R8 e-tron. Produced in extremely limited numbers, fewer than 100 units, the R8 e-tron was Audi's bold statement on the future of high-performance electric vehicles. This futuristic car was built on the iconic R8 chassis, but powered by dual electric motors, producing a combined 456 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 678 pound-feet of torque. This instant torque meant the R8 e-tron could sprint from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, making it one of the most powerful EVs of its time. Although its production was brief and the price tag on the high side, it paved the way for Audi's e-tron lineup and solidified Audi's commitment to sustainability without sacrificing performance. Something interesting to note? The Audi R8 e-tron held the title of the fastest production electric car to lap the Nürburgring Nordschleife when it debuted, clocking an impressive 8 minutes and 9 seconds on the famed track. Coming at the 5th spot, we have the Audi A8 LW12 exclusive concept. This model is luxury at its most refined, with only 50 units produced. The A8 LW12 was built as a top-tier example of Audi's luxury sedan, featuring a massive 6.3-liter W12 engine under the hood, delivering a refined 493 horsepower and 463 pound-feet of torque. But it wasn't just about power, it was also a statement of luxury, crafted to exude a level of sophistication that few sedans could match. This limited edition didn't hold back on exclusivity. What makes the A8 LW12 truly unique is its interior, with hand-finished leather from Italian designer Poltrona Frau, paired with the custom wood inlays, creating a car that's as much about comfort as it is about class. This car was Audi's way of catering to the highest level of luxury seekers. Here's a classy touch. Audi shipped each of the 50 A8 LW12 exclusive concept models with an accompanying leather travel set from Poltrona Frau, matching the interior color of the car. Talk about taking luxury to the next level. Claiming the 4th spot on our list is the stunningly fierce Audi R8 Green Hell Edition. This edition is a nod to Audi's phenomenal track record at the Nürburgring, also known as the Green Hell. Only 50 units of this model were ever made, making it not only rare but also highly desirable for motorsport enthusiasts. With a 5.2-liter V10 engine producing 612 horsepower and 428 pound-feet of torque, the Green Hell Edition embodies Audi's commitment to high performance with a tribute to the world of motorsport. What sets this model apart is its unique design, with a color scheme inspired by the track itself. The Green Hell Edition features exclusive Tioman green paint, giving it a look that's pretty much stylish. It's not just about looks though. This R8 was built to be a true performer on both the road and the track. Here's something to note, the Green Hell Edition actually has a special sticker listing Audi R8's victories at the Nürburgring right on the car. Think of it as a car that pays homage to Audi's incredible racing legendary status. In 3rd place, we have the Audi TT RS40 Years of Quattro, a special model celebrating 40 years of Audi's iconic Quattro all-wheel drive system. Only 40 units of this edition were produced, all for the German market, making it a truly rare gem for Audi enthusiasts. This TT-RS houses a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder TFSI engine, churning out an impressive 394 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, which means it's not only rare but also extremely fun to drive. The car's interior features plenty of sporty Alcantara and carbon fiber, making every inch feel as special as its legacy. A little known fact, the special edition TT-RS wasn't available for export outside Germany, so if you see one on the road elsewhere, consider it a rare sight indeed. Nearing the top of our list, at number 2 is the limited edition Audi R8 V10 Plus Selection 24H. Crafted to celebrate Audi's incredible victory at the 2015 24 Hours of Nürburgring. With only 24 units ever produced, this edition is practically an icon among R8s. Under the hood, it boasts the high-performing 5.2-liter V10 engine, producing 602 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, delivering an exhilarating driving experience that mirrors Audi's track dominance. What really makes the Selection 24H special is its race-ready feature. It's fitted with carbon fiber reinforced plastic for reduced weight and enhanced aerodynamics, and Audi fans can recognize the model instantly by its striking red, black, and white colors, acknowledging Audi's motorsport colors. Worthy of mention is that each of the 24 units comes with an individually numbered plaque, making each owner a part of an exclusive club that celebrates one of Audi's most memorable motorsport moments. And here we are at number 1, the ultra-rare Audi V8 LWB. With only 21 units produced, this V8 model was crafted exclusively for the Chinese market in the 1990s to meet the growing demand for high-end luxury sedans in China, making it one of the rarest Audis in existence. Designed as a long wheelbase version of the original Audi V8, it features extra luxury and space for a refined driving experience. Under the hood, it carries a classic 4.2-liter V8 engine that roars with a balance of power and comfort. The Audi V8 LWB is an exclusive model with historical significance for Audi's expansion into international markets. Want to know something surprising? Despite its exclusivity, this model remains relatively unknown outside collector circles, making it an undiscovered gem in Audi's legacy. And there you have it, 10 of the rarest Audis ever made, each with its own unique story, incredible design, and extreme rarity. These aren't just cars, they're milestones in Audi's history, from limited editions celebrating victories to models crafted for the elite few. As we wrap up, tell us, which of these rare Audis would you love to see in your garage? Or is there another rare Audi you think should have made the list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more epic car content, and ring the bell so you never miss a countdown.